US vaccine is the second important by phase replace. Like, and the link to the video will be in the description below. Go and check them out. So let's into this vaccine in 3, 2, 1.
There's a way to do 231 damage with this shotgun that I'm using right now. The Heisted Breacher shotgun, and this is the most damage that a shotgun could do this season. Now for this to work, I need the first shotgun augment, and what this does, it increases the damage on the first shot, but it's not supposed to work for headshot damage, but for whatever reason it works for the shotgun. I'm not sure what the reason is behind this, but yeah, we just got it right here. Shotguns do increase damage on the first shot, does not increase maximum damage, maximum headshot damage, but it does on this shotgun. So usually it does 185 close range to the head, but if I'm close enough with the shotgun, I can do 231. So I'm gonna try winning a game only using this shotgun right now. There we go. I missed my shot. 178. Hopefully I can get sniped. Oh my gosh. Watch out for this NPC here. My 231, there it was. Wait, usually, okay, usually it does not do that much damage from that range though. Maybe it is. That was just a perfect amount of distance. That was pretty like far.
Yeah.
From what I've like tried in the past, at least to get that number. $128, 231. Oh my gosh. In build mode, this gun, like, you know, no one survives that because there's only 200 max damage. With the season being out for over a week now, what do you all think is your favorite shotgun? What do you guys think is the best shotgun? This shotgun could be the best. It's a little scary though up close. I think it's a better gun to use in builds, to be honest, but it's still really good in zero build. Just a little scary at times. I think other than the exotic Maven shotgun, I think the Sharptooth shotgun is my favorite this season. A new shotgun, I wish it did more damage. I would use it, but it just... like, it's a satisfying gun. It's a satisfying gun, but it just doesn't do the damage. I wish it did more. Love being shot by a third party.
Yep.
231. Oh my gosh. 122. 132.
Buddy.
The shotgun's so good, man. I love it. Try to bait this player out. There you are. I need 2. Oh my god, 231. Oh my gosh. Optimus Prime. Oh no, I just missed that shot. I really just missed that. Dead. That guy literally has Prime Optimus in his name.
Legend.
145. 145. Oh my gosh. Someone in this bush? 231. Oh my. Okay, what am I doing right now? What am I doing right now? I did not mean to hit this think bomb thingy. Look at this guy. Oh my god, hello Aiden. How's it going today, Aiden? Gonna bait this guy out. Are you up top? No? Someone is here.
Really?
He's 6. Dead. Gotta watch out, I can't get hit by this. I just got sniped. All good though, we're good. I'm back. 99. There's someone with a sniper really looking for me.
Yeah, literally.
There you are. That player's really wanting me dead here. $81. 113. Wait till he hit the launch pad. No way.
Whee!
This player does not want to die. I can't the shot off on him. Are you dying? Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
I
buddy.
do not want to die.
Nope.
Oh, someone's up there with a sentry gun or whatever it's called. They're around. There you are. Oh my god, I think fall damage. I'm sorry about that, buddy. That's why I don't like using this. That's exactly why I don't like using this freaking grenade launcher. Because it blanks. I just shot the ground for nothing. Bro! Okay, I'm not fighting over here. That freaking turret is just gonna get me killed. Gotta watch out for the sniper up here. This guy has been wanting to snipe me since earlier. Hello!
Hello! Yeah, buddy.
The good old 231 that I had. I think they got the kill. Oh, I didn't. Never mind. Here we go. Gotta just watch out. We're good. Pop a slurp. I just got sniped by someone else, man. What's up with me getting sniped right now? Let me shock him off the top there. Try to hit him in the head so I can get a nice little refresh going here.
Whee!
I'm about to shock this player up the top here. Oh, we're good. Oh my god, that was scary.
Ah, ah.
There we go. Do you have any heals?
Hey,
for
buddy.
me? Alright, I gotta just get in. I don't know. I got motor warrior. Okay, we're good. I got a shower now on this guy. What the heck? I literally can't have a bullet on this player. Oh my god, am I dead to fall damage? Because the car just turns around like that. Are we good? Gotta figure out a way out of there. How do I get out of here? No way. Okay. Honestly, that was just a bad zone. Guys, that was a crazy game. There was no way out of there. You can't shockwave I can't shockwave in trees, so there's no way out of there. That player, I mean, I wish I would have killed him earlier. I did a lot of damage to them. GG. We got good gameplay using that shoddy. I'm not gonna lie. Earlier, I got it done, and I freaking my recording. Yeah, something happened to the recording. But you know what? That gameplay was definitely better than the games that I had before. In certain ways, with hitting 231s, definitely hit more 231s in this game. So gameplay. So it was meant to be. I hope you all do enjoy the video. If you guys want to try it out, you can go for it with the shotgun and the shotgun augment. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out.
There was this second is broken, but first we press. The second is literally broken. The second can do a lot of damage to the players. Yeah, wow. The link to the video will be in the description below. Go and check them out. And go like, and comment down below if you want to see more reactions like this one. And subscribe if you want to. And click the bell to be notified when I upload in my